Okay, we're out here with Hess Auctioneers. We have Nathan sitting on a SDLE20 from Lanch. We're gonna have one of these, a few of these, I guess, in our upcoming auction. And Nathan, you wanna run us through how this thing operates?
Okay, first thing, battery kill switch. Start it up. And we got blade out front. On the foot, left foot, and then right foot. Hang on. Right foot is the claw. We got our right hand here. We go out to the bucket. And up and down, right hand. Left hand, left, spins the whole thing. I push this little button with my thumb. Now we can pivot just the boom. And then left hand out, left hand back. You got your throttle here. And you can track. That's how she works. Pretty simple.
So as far as the controls, can you run us through?
So all there is the left and right hand joystick, which did the bucket features, and then this one here has the joystick. This is the forward and backwards in the gears, and then your pedal here. This foot pedal here does your thumb. This one comes with the thumb, and then this pedal here does your blade.
I'm gonna back up so you can show me that again. It does the blade.
This one, the left foot does the blade.
Oh, I got you.
But then, yes, then the button on this, the thumb button on the left hand switches. When you hold it in, it only does the boom. And when you release it, then the whole machine will spin around. And then the rest of the controls are with the bucket, that boom, and then this boom are all in the other ones.
Looks comfortable.
Very comfortable, actually. Diesel powered. Got your battery shut off right there. Throttle's over here.
Okay, let me come around and show me the throttle.
Throttle's right here. Your fuel and your oil fill is right here. Yes, one of my more favorite machines, this one here.
That's awesome. All right, you want to show us what it does one more time?
Sure.